Viewers and subscribers, welcome to Keyless One Automotive channel, where we try to make you some good videos. Right now it's winter and I can't make too much videos right now because I don't have a garage, and some of the projects I was doing for spring, winter and all of that kind of get put away. The Volvo C70 I had, it was a problem car. I had us to get rid of it. I didn't want to put any more time or money into it. So you only get a few videos from that. And again, I'm asking you guys to subscribe, like, and share to my channel. Some of these videos you're watching in the background are some of the things I have done over the summer and into fall. And some of these are things that were in some of my shorts and some of the videos I've made. And some of them are some updates from some of the videos I've made too also. So please remember to check out some of the older videos I got on this channel. I know you'll learn something from them or get some use out of these videos. Remember to share the videos also, like and subscribe, and give me ideas about things you guys want me to make for other videos coming up in the spring. Alright, so these are some old Volkswagen Beetles when I went to the car show this last summer. And it was a pretty exciting car shows. There are many types of car that was there, like Volkswagen Beetles, older ones, newer ones, and some custom made cars and stuff like that. So I really enjoyed this show, guys. So remember to keep coming back and watching all my videos. Thank you for your support. Now I've reached 400 videos, and I know there's something in these videos that you can watch and help me to grow the channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This is Keyless One Automotive channel. My name is Roy, and come back for another view. Maybe there's videos you haven't seen before. Maybe there's stuff in the videos you bypass or have not seen. So remember to go back and watch some of these interesting videos. And there should be many more coming for the spring. Alright, thank you very much. Keyless One. Yeah, and this day was when I do the head gasket and the Volvo C70, and I was giving it a nice test drive out to see what kind of performance it was getting from this car. But just spending that day with this car, I still have a warning light on the dash. I did head gaskets, water pump housing, thermostat, everything on this car. Valve covers, not valve covers, those are actually cam covers. So I couldn't put gaskets, I had to put a sealant on there. And this car needed so much, I didn't want to waste much time on it. So someone come along and wanted to take it, so I just have them take it for a low price. Now it's out of my life, you know, I need to find something else for the channel. So hope you guys enjoy it. Then this one, next one is when I was working on the Emmy, the Ram 1500 Emmy. I was just doing some short things on it, like taking the engine apart, which I still haven't finished yet because of winter. So just keep watching, you know, all this will be coming in the spring when I get warmer weather right now, because it's snowing on the ground, and a whole lot of snow on the ground, and I can't do nothing. I don't have a garage like I said before. Yeah, viewers and subs, you know, this is it. You know, just putting out a little bit of the video, you know, that I make, as I said before, in the recording up front. Yeah, hopefully we can get a nice and wonderful 2025, because I still got that truck I want to finish, and I want to make sure that truck nice and running beautiful for you guys in this new year, you know. And then I'm trying to get something else on the channel. I don't know what yet. I'm looking around to find other things we can play with and we can build, you know. So just stay tuned, you know, and just watch these little clips. As I said before, thank you very much for always coming back. I really appreciate you guys coming to my channel. Help me to build, help me to grow. I got 400 videos out there. Please watch them, please share them, please enjoy them. And if they make use to you and they're helpful, you know, no problem for me to keep making it for you. And really show me things or tell me